So this is addition, and the first question is 8 plus 5 plus 2. So this topic is uh, whether you are doing the addition in your brain, so it's add mentally. So 8 plus 5 plus 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10 and plus 5 13. Do you do this work in your book with pencil and write the date above the page? Today is 21 and look here. जी अभी करना है बस हमारे पास 7 मिनट्स हैं इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि हमें यूज़ करना है अपने कॉमन सेंस को कि जो नंबर्स टेंस पे ऐड हो रहे हैं उसको पहले कर लेंगे आप ठीक है जैसे कि क्वेश्चन डी पार्ट देखें ऑल ऑफ यू look at question D there are four numbers so 13 and 7 makes 20 13 and 7 when added so its result is 20 so then we 20 then we add 10 to it so 20 plus 10 is 30 then we add 13 that is 48 okay beta so we have to use our common sense when we add the part B is 15 plus 5 first we will do 15 plus 5 everybody is listening to me or not and understanding so we use the common sense in the part C yes who will tell which number we will add first yes no no first we will add the two numbers which makes a tens number 14 plus 6 makes 20 and 11 plus 9 makes 20 again so 20 and 20 is equal to 40 so in the first question the question is written add so we will just add but we do it in our brain or mentally we add it okay we mentally add it now the second question is written add mentally so in the mental math what we will do just you look here for example the question first is 40 yes this is people's book page 34 this is people's book page 34 this is question number 2a so 40 plus 74 is written okay we have to add it mentally add add mentally we have to add it mentally so look here first we break it to 70 and 4 and we add these yes 70 or 40 it makes 70 40 110 plus 4 114 so its answer will be 114 okay the next question is look here the next question is 93 and 68 93 and 68 now look here what we will do we give 2 to 68 in our brain all this work we are doing in our brain so 2 to 68 so it becomes 70 and this one becomes 91 जब 293 से लेके उसको दे देंगे तो यहाँ पर 91 और 70 हो जाएंगे ठीक है then 9 plus 7 we know that 9 plus 7 is 16 so 16 it means 161 will be the answer Are you understanding this method? So all this work will be done in brain. Now another question, 122 and 90. 122 plus 90. Now look here, what we will do, just add 22 with 90. So 90 plus 20 first. 90 plus 20 in our brain we will do. So 100 and 110. 110 plus 100. 210 plus 2. 202. 212 will be the answer. Do you understand? Can you do the last one? Anybody can do the last one? 354 plus 86 in his brain. Using your brain, you can you do it? 354 and 86. What method we will use here? Yes. What method we will use here? Yes, beta. Who will tell? Everybody is allowed to talk. Yes. जी कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर? कोई नहीं बता रहा? जी बेटा. फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू, लुक हियर. इसको हम 4 इससे इसको दे देंगे. So it will become 350 and this will become 80. Now 350 and 80 are easy to add. So 50 plus 80, 8 plus 5, 13. So it will become 130. 50 plus 80 is 130 and 300 we will add. So 430 is the answer. सुन रहे हैं आप लोग बेटा? यस. किसी की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही? ओके बेटा, हम यहाँ पे मैं अपना एक क्वेश्चन ये इसको मैं एंड कर रहा हूँ और आप लोग इसका जो रिमेनिंग है उसको आप कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है. पेज 34 और 35 को कंप्लीट करना है आपने होमवर्क में. आई एम राइटिंग द होमवर्क हियर. सो यू विल कंप्लीट दिस पेज इन योर होमवर्क. पेज 34, 35, people's book. The topic is addition and in CW we have completed question 1 to page 34, people's book. Now you can leave beta and I'm just marking the attendance. Everybody can leave. Zafa Ibrahim. Mushtaba has come now. Ustad Imran has come. Why are you coming late beta? Mushtaba and Ustad Imran. Okay beta. And Ustad, you have any problem? Did you wake up late or internet problem? Ustad, Ustad Imran. Did you tell me why are you coming late? Okay, beta, your next class has been started, so I am going to end this meeting, and I hope you have noted the homework. We will meet inshallah in the next class, uh, and in this week or the next week, I will arrange another test for you. So we will meet inshallah. I will write it in the Google Classroom. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.